Ordinary plain carbon black has low structure, low viscosity, high mobility, and easy processing and dispersion. Do you know the correct feeding technique of carbon black ball press? Before feeding, be sure to let the machine run empty for 3 to 5 minutes before filling the material. The reason to do so is to prevent the machine from eating too much material, causing loads on the reducer and motor. Secondly, quantitative feeding can make the motor run smoothly and the charge is stable. When the amount of feed exceeds the specified amount of equipment, it will cause overload and even force the equipment to stop suddenly. When the feed is too little, the ball forming effect is unstable and the strength of the ball is relatively low. So the operation of good dose, skilled operation technology, and correct feed are important conditions to ensure the normal operation of carbon black ball press.